ahead.
How does what country cat win? It's really class. I will tell you how to make lava in a cup. You need some water,
You need your cup 3/4 full.
3/4 full, and you can do green if you have or blue. And I have green with and this is yellow. It's a orange with a yellow. And I don't use red.
Okay. You do need more red. I'll get you some more red.
And then you need to put
No popcorn.
then you need to put it in.
No, you're gonna put it in the cup.
You mean I just said it mean in the cup.
Use the rest of that red.
You can use all of it. The evil. And you can put it on in the garage. I'm gonna be right back. On the sip.
Okay, well, next we're gonna take the measuring cup. Get the measuring cup.
You need to.
Good job. That's a 1/4 cup.
You want to move it?
Nope. I'm not gonna move the pen. You're gonna put a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in. Here. Put a 1/4 cup in here. That's a lot, so we're probably gonna have to write oil on the list. Go ahead, fill it up. Keep going. More. Need to tip it more, sweetheart. Thank you. Good job.
You can use olive oil. They say you need
Vegetable oil. We have canola. We'll see if it works.
We got.
Pour it in.
It got to win.
It's bubbly. Ready? Now your sister dumped out a whole bunch of salt, so that's the salt we're gonna use.
So and we gonna use some salt. It is.
Yep, you can move that one too. Ready? Here. I'm gonna use this
Yes.
first. We'll see what it's like with kosher salt.
It is salt. And then you can put in.
Put it in. Okay. See the
bulb?
lower it down. Let's see what it's like if you do table salt.
There we did the table salt.
And this one. Okay, ready? See?
See?
See the bubbles going down?
Yeah.
Up.
It's a bubble.
Put it down flat. There's still bubbles going.
It's so nice. Over here.
Whoa! Look.
It's yellow, but it's yellow. It's like sweaty it apart a little bit. See, it's all yellow.
We'll scoot back. Yes, that's the oil.
Yeah, because it's the oil.
Okay, you ready? One more time.
And we gonna do one more time.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stand aside so you can really see it.
And see it lava. Almost lava. And me and my mom is doing the lava is with on a website.
Yes, it was on a website. I'll find the website and I'll credit the website. It was like, cool.
I like this one there.
I was just trying to bring the salt from the bottom. I was wondering if we could reuse the salt.
Yeah, I like to do that.
See?
See that salt? It would. And that way, so you make the salty lava.
Cool stuff, huh?
And that's how to.
What do you think happened?
I see it happening too. The only way to do it the only to do that we is to the red oil.
The oil?
I mean the oil that do that too.
Do what?
To make a quick lava bubble because the salt hit base to make a little bubble and to make the sweet lava and a cup.
Okay.
So that's it we do. So thank you for Didi. I will create another one YouTube video on in the bathroom. So that is for
Oh yeah,
it.
we gotta do the bath bomb video.
Yeah.
So we'll do that sometime.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Where I
Say
show you
goodbye.
a basketball video.
Okay.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.